to the invisible rope prank. I'm not going to be doing it to the fire truck because that's just like
rude.
Rude.
Okay, so here it goes.
Go. That's a mean old man. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, let's get started.
My sister has the rope. Stop. Ready? Again. Come on. Let go of the rope. Let go. Lots of cars think it's a rope, but it's not.
Oh, hi. That's Emma's stamp.
Here.
Next to my sister. Thanks for watching our video.